So it's articulation points. Articulation point is, it is one of the lisan throat tongue letters, and it is pronounced from the deepest part of the tongue, which is next to the throat, and what lies opposite to it of the mouth, that is opposite soft palate. So we have, this is the deepest part of the tongue. Okay, so we divide this into two. So this is the side which is closest to the mouth, to the throat, and this is closest to the tongue, to the mouth or to the teeth. Okay, so we will be using this side for Qaaf and this side for another letter, which is Qaaf. We'll discuss that in next session. Okay, so this is the deepest part of the tongue, which nearest to the throat, and what lies opposite to it. So its opposite is this soft palate. Here again, okay, make a half this part of the tongue, and what opposite to it of the mouth, that's soft palate. Okay, so that's the articulation point for Qaaf. Similarly, here in this diagram, you see here, that's the deepest part of the tongue, and what is opposite to it, that's the soft palate of the roof of the mouth. And let me explain that with 3D model. Okay, in 3D model you can see that. So if we see this is the deepest part of the tongue. We divide it into half, and this is this part which is closest to the throat, that will be touching what is opposite to it of the roof of the mouth, that is soft palate. Okay, so that's the articulation point for Qaaf, and the sound is aqo, aqo, Qaaf, aqo.